Hey lovely ladies, and welcome to another lovely video. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Audri Loveberry. Audri, let me slow down. Let me start over. Hi, my name is Audri. This video is a very chaotic video. This is a real day in the life of me wanting to put on my nails. And I have on my other nails already because at first I wasn't going to film, but then I was like, you know what, let's film. This is going to be easy. This is going to be simple, and I have to show the girls. I have to show my lovely ladies. So let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Audri Loveberry. I do nail videos, lifestyle videos, and vlogs. These are the type of videos here that I do that are usually edited with some music and you don't hear the background, but I'm letting you guys hear the background today of me doing this nail set because it's a simple and easy set. I'm showing y'all simple and easy sets this Christmas that you can do yourself, that you don't have to go to the salon and pay $5 for a design for each nail. These beautiful nails, the nail stickers, Christmas nail stickers. Look at all of these stickers, y'all. I got this off of Amazon. They're doing their Black Friday sale. I got it for, I believe, $4.99. And today we're going to do a little reindeer nail. I have so many options, but I decided to go ahead and try out the reindeer. And y'all, it's as simple as putting the nails on, putting the sticker on the nail. Look, I messed that one up, but that's okay. We mess up sometimes. We just keep it pushing. We keep it moving. I'm going to use this other one. And you guys, you can just pick what nails. Usually it's the pointer finger and the ring finger that I put my designs on. So that's what I'm going to do. As you can see, I've already done it on my left hand there. And I'm just showing y'all. Look how easy that is. Boom. Boom. Y'all, you can do this at home by yourself. You don't have to spend $10, wait an hour for them to be like, yes, they can do the design, and then they don't do the design. The design right here is already done for you. All you gotta do is stick it on. All you gotta do is stick it on. So I'm showing you guys how to do it. The stickers, there will be more videos. This is raw and uncut, so I'm showing y'all me, you know, just wanting to put my nails on. I've been in a funk, and my nails, I had took my nails off. You guys can see over there, the nails were by the stickers in the corner there. Those were my previous nails, and I had took those nails off, and I didn't have nails on for a little bit because I was in the funk. But this is me trying to get out of that funk and put these nails on. So it's as simple as 1, 2, 3, y'all. You can do this at home in less than 15 minutes, and it doesn't cost you $80. It doesn't cost you $100. It doesn't cost you $120. The nails there, the BTR box X-Coat nails, I got those on Black Friday sale for $18, and I can make so many sets with this with that one box, and it's crazy. You see how many stickers I have there and how many different nail sets Christmas nail sets I can make. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this raw of me doing my nails, having a Christmas set, and I wanted to share with you. So if you like this content, I'm sorry for rambling, but if you like this type of content, let me know down in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free, y'all. I really appreciate the support. And I really appreciate the all of my subscribers, all of my supporters, all of my lovely ladies, all of my lovely fam. I really appreciate you all. And I'm so grateful that you guys like my videos. And I'm so grateful that you guys are commenting even more. I'm trying to go live more as well. Follow me on my other social medias, Instagram and TikTok. It is listed below in the description. I am able to go live on TikTok now, which is crazy. So catch me over there as well. But yeah, right now I'm about to put on the top coat. You see, it's looking a little bit crazy, but in the end, it's going to look really cute, y'all. And I bet you can do this at home yourself. I have faith you're going to like it here on my channel, and I really do hope that you hit that subscribe button. So yeah, let's finish with these nails.
Good job, baby.
Alrighty, y'all, and there we have it. Reindeer Christmas nails. As simple as using the BTR box press-on nails or your press-on nails, whatever. You can get the Kiss, the Glamnetics, the Impress nails, any one of those. Get you some stickers off of Amazon and make your own Christmas nails at home. DIY. Bye.